Over the last few years, the number of people seeking help for opioid addiction has increased. This is due to the arrival of opioid-based drugs like street fentanyl. Street fentanyl is highly addictive, potent, and deadly. Street fentanyl is used on its own, but has also been found to be unknowingly added to other illicit drugs like cocaine, crack, and heroin. Naloxone is a drug that can temporarily reverse the deadly effects of fentanyl and any other opioids. This is an intranasal naloxone kit. It can be administered by anyone and is available for free from your local pharmacy, clinic, or health center, without a prescription. If you, a loved one, or someone you know uses opioids, it's important to have naloxone nearby. Naloxone is effective against opioids only and will not work if frozen. Although naloxone does not work against overdoses caused by alcohol, benzos, or stimulants, many drugs may be tainted with opioids. Get more information on free naloxone kits, opioids, and how to get help by visiting www.hss.gov.nt.ca/naloxone.